Hey everyone, if you are not a code savvy person, if you are more into data and its analysis, then this video is for you. Business analytics can make a difference in the industry by enhancing customer experience. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment rate of business analysts will rise by 11% between 2019 and 2039. Organizations hire business analysts as they play a vital role in data-driven decisions. Business analytics gives the organization the insight on how companies can be more efficient. It is surprising that businesses that use business analytics and are data-driven typically outperform their competitors. This is because the knowledge gathered through business analytics allows them to explore more efficient business process, understand why particular results are produced, and even predict the possibility of specific outcomes. In this video, we are going to discuss the complete roadmap of a business analyst, but before moving forward, please make sure you subscribe to Simplilearn's YouTube channel and never miss any updates. First is analytical and critical thinking. As a business analyst, the first thing to learn is analytics. The needs of the client must be clearly analyzed and translated by the business analyst. Before choosing the desired solution, a business analyst might evaluate a variety of choices with the aid of critical thinking. Business analysts concentrate on learning about and comprehending the needs of the client. They are able to prioritize business requirements thanks to critical thinking. For analytics, Excel is widely used. You can check out the Skill Up course link in the description box below for best Excel course. Programming language. Business analysts should be proficient programmers in order to conduct data analysis more quickly and effectively. Understanding R and Python is quite helpful. Writing effective codes can be used to resolve complex issues. Additionally, business predictions can be made using business models. Please check out the courses on data science with Python or R language. Links for both the courses are available in the description box below. Next comes database and data visualization. Most frequently, business analysts use structured data. They should be well versed in relational databases like Microsoft SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle DB, as well as NoSQL databases in order to store and process this large amount of data. Microsoft Excel proficiency is the next ability on our list of business analyst qualifications. Every business analyst has to have this fundamental ability. For data visualization, we opt tools like Power BI, Tableau, Microsoft Excel, Oracle Analytics, etc. Among them, Tableau is very widely used. It is very easy to learn and handle. You can check out the Skill Up course on data visualization by Simplilearn given in the description box below. Next is communication skill. This is necessary for every business analyst to have ability to understand the corporate way of communicating information to make decisions and impact clients. He should be able to communicate with the stakeholders easily. So if you are an aspiring business analyst, start working on your communication skills. A business analyst uses communication and interpersonal skills at different phases. For example, when a project is being launched, while collecting requirements, when collaborating with stakeholders, while validating the final solution, and so on. Ability to identify quality business decisions. A business analyst's choices can affect a company's operations both directly and indirectly. They should therefore consider all the factors before offering their choice. A business analyst analyzes the issue and identifies potential business solutions before making any choice. They then put each alternative strategy to the test and decide based on their impressions of these strategies. Finally, they put the solution to the test. Additionally, business analysts make the final determination as to whether or not a specific technological design matches with the discussed business requirements. Coming to presentation and documentation, a business analyst should thoroughly and clearly describe the lessons learned and project result in front of the stakeholders and clients. They should convey their project's result and outcomes with assurance. Business analysts can readily explain technological concepts to staff members who aren't technically minded with the aid of well-organized documentation, discipline, and time management. Finally, good business analysts will be judged based on their time management, as they will be piled up with lot of tasks and responsibilities. Best suitable tool for managing time and activities would be Jira. Jira software is a member of a family of tools for managing projects in teams of all sizes. Jira was initially intended to be a bug and issue tracker. Today, however, Jira has developed into a potent work management solution for a variety of use cases, including agile software development and management of requirement and test cases. In order to discover more about the technologies you are interested in and the free online courses that are available here, you can visit the official SkillUp website. You can view these self-paced videos as many times as you like to complete the courses which are presented by the subject matter expert. The description below will provide links to all the courses mentioned above. So that brings us to the end of our video on the roadmap to become business analyst. We hope you found this video informative and we recommend you leave your doubts and thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.